What you can perceive is always changing. Sensations, thoughts, emotions, worlds. Everything that can be named or imagined belongs to the realm of the temporary, appearing and disappearing in awareness. Yet you, awareness itself, you do not come or go. You're not an object in perception. The world arises in you. Names and forms dance within you. But you remain untouched, silent, luminous, ever present. To recognize this, that only the nameless seeing itself is real, is awakening. Remember, the real is never what is seen. It is that which sees. Not the scenery, only the seer. Tat Tvamasi.